Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Miss Lena from Lena's Kitchen. I'm so glad to have you back to watch me doing a video. And I'm so glad to have all of the new subscribers, all the old ones, and all the people that's viewing, and all of my supporters, and everybody, my memberships also. I'm so glad to have you here today with me. And I'm hoping, and I thank you so much for all the prayers and all the things that's going up for me. Thank you so much. So now I will be reading my scripture, and I'm taking it from 2 Corinthians 5:5. It is God who made us for this very purpose, has given us the Spirit as a deposit, guarantee what is to come. The 2 Corinthians verses 5:5. Thank you. So now I'm getting ready to do something for you all. And I'm hoping that you will enjoy this video also. All right. I'm using a can of croissants. I've already took them out. And I'm going to be frying a peach cobbler with the croissants. And I'm making the croissants out of the peach cobbler. It's like the tops, but instead of me putting it in the oven, I'm going to be frying them out in a little bit of butter, and then I'll be putting the peaches. I've already had a number 2 can size of peaches. I boiled them, and I put in 1 cup of sugar, and I didn't put the butter in yet. So I will be using ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and also flavor, and probably a teaspoon of table salt. And I also will be using a cup of brown sugar. This is after I get my topping fried in the butter. So now I'm getting ready to drop it to get them. I'm cutting them up in little pieces, and I'll be putting them in the skillet with the butter, and I'll be frying them like they would if I'm putting it on top. This is what I'm calling a fried peach cobbler. And I'll be doing this, and it takes a few minutes to get it done, because I'll be doing the frying this first for getting them brown. Then after I get them brown, I'll be pouring the peaches that I've already cooked. You don't have to cook your peaches if you don't want to, but I always have a can of peaches, and I always try to cook them a little bit more, especially if I'm going to make a pie out of them or whatever. But anyway, so this is what I'm going to be doing. So this is what I'm cutting. I've already cut up a lot of the pieces to put into the skillet. So I'm going to go here now and going to drop them into the skillet with the butter already in.
Yeah, she's frying the dough right now in butter.
Huh? Let's see when I get them out here. Put it down. Look too high.
Okay, y'all, she letting the peaches boil.
Just a little bit, and I gotta put all my A cup of brown sugar. Okay. Okay. And this is my nutmeg. I'm just putting in according to what I want. Okay. Put this up so it can cook. Okay. That was my cinnamon. That wasn't the nutmeg. I'm sorry. Now this is the nutmeg. I don't think this is going to be, skillet's going to be big enough, but anyway, I'll wait till it boils and see if I have to change it.
She'll be back once it start boiling.
See.
Okay, y'all, she's putting half a stick of butter in.
If I need more, I'll put more, but right now, I'm just adding half a stick. Okay. Now I got to put my vanilla in. Okay. Ain't gonna run over. To me, look like it's gonna run over, but anyway, it might not. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is my final touches of my fried peach cobbler. And I made it with the croissants and canned peaches. And well, all I can say is put in it whatever you would like. Now, I left mine a little juicy because I like juice in mine. But if you want to make it thick, just put a little bit of flour in it. Whatever that you make your thickening out of. But I will show you. And I know it's very good. Because this is something that I have tried a few years back. So I use different things, but not the croissants. So I'm going to, let me just get just a little bit in a bowl. So. And you now know this looks very delicious. See how that looks. And I love the juice in it. So. See. I know it's very hot, so. It is delicious, if I tell you. If y'all don't want to put an oven on to make a peach cobbler, this is the best way for you to make one. On top of the stove.
It's really good. I'm really not a peach cobbler eater, but it's very good.
It is good. Even with the croissants, it's good. Oh my God. It is outside. You talking about out the chain? It is so delicious. can't really stop. All right, thank you so much for viewing this. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all will subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And the ones that's been there, I thank you all. And I'm gonna try to get on maybe during the weekend for a few hours live, okay? And I'll see y'all later on Miss Lena's Kitchen with all my love. With love, y'all. Goodbye.